The Hanuman Chalisa, a sacred hymn of 40 verses, is one of the most powerful prayers in Hindu tradition. Written by Goswami Tulsidas in the 16th century, it's a timeless ode to Lord Hanuman, the embodiment of strength, devotion, and courage. Each verse praises Hanuman's virtues, his loyalty to Lord Rama, his unmatched power, and his wisdom that surpasses even the gods. Chanting the Chalisa is said to remove fear, bring clarity, and invite divine protection into one's life. It's not just a prayer, it's a rhythm of faith that has guided millions through challenges and victories alike. In just a few minutes of devotion, the Hanuman Chalisa connects you to strength beyond measure, a reminder that with faith and courage, nothing is impossible. Jai Hanuman.